morning to each every one of you. How are you all doing, guys and gals? Let's have some snacks. Creamy spinach lasagna. Come on, be the first one to taste, be the first one to guide. Don't be shy. Open your mouth. Love it? Love it. How about breadstick? Day 21 of not eating meat like pork, beef, chicken for my abstinence until Black Saturday. But for now,